Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to make sure you have your ENEBA code ready. This is the alphanumeric key you received when you purchased a game or product from ENEBA. Keep it somewhere safe where you can easily access it. Step 2. Next, head over to the Steam website and log into your account. If you don't have Steam installed yet, grab it from steampowered.com. Make sure you're on the official Steam site to keep your account secure. Step 3. Once you're logged in, look for the Games menu at the top and click on it. You'll see an option that says Activate a product on Steam. Click that button to proceed. Step 4. Now you'll be presented with a box where you can paste your ENEBA code. Read through the terms and conditions, then carefully enter your code into the field. Double-check that you've typed it correctly before moving forward. Step 5. Finally, click the Activate button to complete the process. Your game will be added to your Steam library instantly. If there are any issues, double-check your code or contact ENEBA support for help. And that's how you redeem ENEBA codes on Steam in 2026.